Alright, welcome back to Maris Tech YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be directing you guys on how to set up for you Tunnel Lite VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, like the video. If you get any problem, just write in the comment section. I'm available 24/7, replying to all of the comments in the comment section. Let us head over to Google Play Store and download the application called for you Tunnel Lite. It is for you Tunnel Lite. You're going to set up the Tunnel Lite, not Pro, on this in today's tutorial. So download this application in your mobile device, and you'll be able to connect to a fast, stable, secure internet connection in all countries. So download the application, then after open the application. So keep in mind that this tutorial is for information, research and education purposes only. We are not reliable to what users will access, and users must read and agree with the internet service providers terms and conditions in all countries. Also, users must first follow the local rules and regulations that govern a specific locality. So the application will be looking like this. We have a notice, and then press OK to that notice to enjoy a fast and a secure internet connection. And then remember that this VPN application supports the Cloudflare servers. Always use the latest version for better speed and stability. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use the latest version, as we're going to update the servers, as the guy has told us that to use the updated servers to enjoy a fast, a stable and a secure connection in all countries. Let us head over to this. When you reach this, let us look for where we have the update. Hope you are seeing the word update. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. I'm heading over where I have the update, and then wait for a few moments until I see this word that I have no update available. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Let us continue with the application. You're going to go where we have the auto select server, and then I'm going to be commenting few comments about these servers. We have these servers, they are global, they are running from 1 up to 6. That means there are 6 servers, but these servers may be offline at a particular juncture. So I recommend my viewers, subscribers, if you are not a subscriber yet, this is a golden chance for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get all tips and facts about the internet and all the network. We're going to optimize all network in all countries. So users, after subscribing, will enjoy a fast and secure internet connection. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to your friend, like. So I recommend viewers, subscribers, and those who are commenters, top fans of this YouTube channel, let us use the auto select server. And then after, let us go where we have the Wi-Fi and data SSL premium right here. And then you're going to go, we have many servers, but I recommend all my viewers to choose a particular server from their country if it works. But if it fails to work, just follow up the tutorial. We're going to be setting up the UDP. Just go where we search from and then type in the word UDP. You're going to be seeing this one. It is only one server that connects on this one. Remember that this VPN application is new, and it will be connecting to all networks in all countries. You have my word. So let us go where we have that button, and then wait for a few moments for this application to connect. As you see, the application has connected successfully, and just what we are waiting for is to enjoy our internet speeds. For heavy downloaders, TikTokers, gamers, YouTubers, all of us are now enjoying. I sign out.